Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. My most honorable brother and sister in Islam, Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Sheikh Khokhar, your host, is at your service. Today I am talking about how we can become valuable. So, Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَىٰ خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. No doubt, O Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you are at a high level of conduct. So that is our goal. More our character is close to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Our habits are more close to his sweet habits. Inshallah, we will become more and more valuable in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the eyes of the public. Because among makhluk, he is the highest in sifat, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Let's a few suggestions. Number one, please always make a decision under the light of Islamic values. Only intellect should not be always our guide. We may make sometimes mistakes. Always we should keep a Quran and Sunnah, the life of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in front of us. That should be our foundation of our social behavior, social life. Example, we cannot always count on intellect. We may seek help from the intellect. Example, logic says, intellect says, when you pay zakah, so you're getting less money in the result. 2.5%, you will get 100 minus 2.5% equal to 97.5. The word mathematics. But in the eyes of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, when we pay zakah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala claims, Quran claims, your wealth will be increased. When you give sadaqah, donation, help the needy people, it will be increased 10 times. So we should believe in the sweet news of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, news of ghaib, not our mathematics, what we see with the eyes. You can note it, you can experience it. By helping others, your wealth will increase. By interest, it will definitely decrease. Number two, do not run after wealth. Do not try to increase by hook or by crook. Earn through respected and lawful means. Such earning income will grant you peace of mind and heart. Always keep eye open on the quality of the life. Do not run after earning big name and fame. You may face disgrace. Name and fame will be earned by obeying Allah and the Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and by khidmat, service of the humanity. But our nafs, our inner desire, always greedy for more and more. Don't follow nafs and shaitan. Our contact link should be bigger and bigger, but we should not add worthless individuals in our life. Be very sympathetic, be very easy to be approached. Better education and skills is very powerful magnet. So always do progress in your professionalism and skillism. Be grateful to, always be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His servants. Wala in shakartum la azidannakum. Any nema, any gift is counted with the shukr. Do shukr on any nemat, any blessing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will increase that nemat. And the highest blessing of nemat is iman and good deeds. We should always try our best to keep our iman correct and high level and correct deed. It will help us respect success in dunya and life hereafter also. Humbleness is the best tool to collect more blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Arrogant people are not liked by others. Deal with the public, with other brothers or sisters at their level. As the Maulana Rum Rahmatullah alayhi said, the meaning of that, I will leave the world. I will go to life hereafter, but I will reside through my poetry in the heart of the people. We should always make du'as. Rabbana hablana min azwajina wa zurriyatina qurrat ayun waj'alna lil muttaqina imama. And make dua, Ya Allah, make me more and more valuable in your eyes, in the eye of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the eye of the public, in the eye of the family. And again, the foundation of that is more by obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam and serve the humanity. Wama alayna illa al-balagh. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.